Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to review another website that is SakeFast.com. So if you are curious to know about this website, watch the video till then because we are going to share an unbiased review on this website. So let's check out what is SakeFast. It is an online store. We started 2 weeks ago. On this website there are a lot of new clothes collection at a very attractive price available. The website provides shipping cost free delivery on most of the products at across the country. Some of the name of products are black and white shirts and pant combo, shirt cotton shirt trouser combo, denim men 3 shirts, classic check shirt combo, cotton printed night suit set with pajama. So we're going to check out certain specification of this website. So let's go into the detail. When we are going through the website, we found that they have mentioned the email address which is matching the domain name, and it is a positive sign regarding the legitimacy of website. But we can't focus on just one parameter. We'll just go into depth and check out more details. As they have mentioned their official address, moreover, their return policy is concerned. They are offering you 7 days return policy. International orders are not available. The positive point of this website are a huge collection of stylish shirts, pants, and nightwears. The website is HTTP secured. At the single place, you can buy lots of stylish clothes. Shipping charges does not apply to most of the products. The products is organized in a very proper way. The negative point of this website are we could not find any SakeFast.com reviews over the internet. Unfortunately, not found any social account or pages. Product reviews are not available on the website. That indicates a red flag about the authenticity of this website. Regarding the cancellation policy, they haven't mentioned it. Shipping time taking more than usual, and the return policy timeline is concise. So the question we may have in mind is SakeFast is another scam. As we have discussed, the domain age is just 13 days. We recommend you go through certain details to check out its authenticity, like there is no review found on website, just like a dubious website. We found so many negative points, so we can't say this website is legit, as domain name was online on 15th July 2021, some days before, and it is not good to trust. Moreover, SakeFast.com has a bad trust rank of 1% only, and it is a very suspicious website. So we cannot recommend any of one of you to buy anything from this store. Either we recommend you all to stay away from this website so you may not get scammed. And if you have any experience of shopping from this store, please do write in comment box. We love to hear from you.